Living things have been in the information age for billions of years. The basis of the living cell is information, and they have to share information. They have to process it. They have to find what's useful and also what's dangerous. And they do this, we do this, our body does this, and every organism on the planet does this constantly. The reason we can learn so much from life is that everything alive is constantly selected to be at the pinnacle of handling information, right? We build a computer and we try to make it have all these safety features and the current state of the art. Well, if you're a living thing and you're not at the cutting edge of tech savvy, you are dead. You get wiped out. Organisms spend a lot of effort to avoid falling prey to predatory information. We just saw this with the pandemic. An organism with 30,000 nucleotides of code spread through the entire human population in 1 year. So organisms are constantly assessing information to determine whether it's self or non-self. And one of the things that's so fascinating is they use this guided search in which the sequence information itself can be vetted for the way the words are spelled out, essentially, and it can incredibly rapidly search that information and determine if it's from a safe source. I mean, all of these things that are so costly to do with an AI are done instantly by our brain at the tiny fraction of the energy cost. And I think similarly at the information genetic level, RNA is multi-processing, parallel processing all the information necessary for the living state. So each gene is in an active or an inactive state, and that's programmed locally and it's regulated locally, but also can be changed quickly because there are these searching mechanisms that we work on that enable these connections to be turned on and off over time. The redundancy is extremely important. We're diploid. We have 2 copies of everything, pretty much, but then there are some genes that we have hundreds of copies of. You need to have robustness. Part of that is also correcting errors. This mutations occur constantly. Mutations could be and are the basis of aging, of cancer, and our bodies are very good, usually, at fixing those, but they're not perfect. Information is clearly a double-edged sword, and therefore, a lot of evolution has gone into selecting these mechanisms that safely handle the information. And this is perhaps where the future of tech is going to have to dig into. How do you have competition for information handling, for information efficiency, for safety? How do you build that? Well, one way to do it is to try to intentionally build it. Another way would be to try to evolve it. This is what living things do. I mean, it's kind of a scary thought because then we're definitely heading down that scary path to a new life form. This is the secret of life. That process has been playing out biologically, and the winners are the ones that are alive today. The winners are the ones that are alive, and they have a lot to teach us.